Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to enhance your well-being through meditation or improve your sleep quality, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring some of the best meditation and sleep apps available for Android that can help you achieve relaxation and mindfulness. Let's dive in and discover how these apps can transform your daily routine. Meditation vs. Sleep. MO is a user-friendly meditation and sleep app designed to help users cultivate mindfulness and improve their sleep quality. The app offers a wide range of guided meditations, sleep stories, and relaxation techniques, catering to various experience levels, from beginners to advanced practitioners. Users can choose from themed sessions addressing stress relief, anxiety reduction, and deep sleep. Additionally, MO features calming soundscapes and ambient music to create the perfect atmosphere for relaxation. With its personalized recommendations and tracking tools, MO encourages users to develop a consistent meditation and sleep routine that enhances overall well-being. Meditopia, Sleep vs. Meditation. Meditopia is a comprehensive meditation app that focuses on promoting mental well-being through a diverse selection of audio content. Users can access guided meditations, sleep aids, and mindfulness exercises, all designed to help alleviate stress and improve sleep quality. The app features a variety of topics, including self-love, anxiety, and focus, allowing users to find the sessions that resonate most with them. Meditopia also offers sleep stories and ambient sounds, making it easier to drift off at night. With its intuitive interface and personalized content recommendations, Meditopia is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their meditation practice and improve sleep. Brainwaves, Sleep vs. Meditation. Brainwaves is a unique app that combines meditation with binaural beats and sound frequencies to promote relaxation and better sleep. The app provides various audio tracks designed to activate specific brainwave states, such as alpha for relaxation and theta for deep meditation. Users can select from a range of background sounds, including nature sounds, white noise, and more, to enhance their listening experience. Brainwave's straightforward design makes it easy to navigate through different tracks, and users can create custom playlists for meditation or sleep. This app is particularly beneficial for those who want to explore the science of sound and its impact on mental states. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of top meditation and sleep apps helps you find the perfect tool to support your relaxation and sleep journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wellness tips and app recommendations. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.